Okay, this video I will introduce the jog page for our machine. Last time I introduced on the machine we have many different axes. It can be controlled and moved by the axis. Okay, have two head, left hand and right hand. Okay, here is the jog button. After we select the jog button, then we can press different axes to move the head. Okay, for example, the Z axis, Z1, it is that one. Okay, here I can see the Z1. Okay, I will press the Z1 plus and Z1 minus. Okay, it shows plus is up. Okay, I will press Z1 plus. Yeah, Z1 minus. Okay. Yeah. And also for x-axis, x1 plus, x1 minus. Okay. So for the button, we can click press. Yeah, move it. Click move it. If we long press it, sometimes it will go continuously. Yeah. Okay, the T1 is the milling spindle. T1. Okay, T1 minus, T1 plus, T1 minus. Okay, T1 plus. Okay, also for the A plus and A minus. Okay, is this one is the feeding arm. Okay, I will make showing. Okay, A plus, A minus. Okay. Yeah, this is a right height. It's same. Okay. Also, I can let them go home automatically. I will change into home button, and I will press X1. Okay. You can see the S1 go back to the home reference automatically. Yeah, the Z1. Yeah, just press the Z1 button or Z minus button, it will go back to the reference place. Yeah. Okay, here is same. We can press them together. Okay. They will go back, or the axis will go back reference place. Yeah, and this is the line. We can see the second line is left and right. That means by the hand wheel, the MPG hand wheel control. Because for all machine, only have one hand wheel. So if I want to change control left hand or right hand, we can use the two buttons. Yeah, can use the two buttons. Yeah. Left, we can change the axis and rotate the hand wheel. Yeah, the right is same. Okay, this is the speed. This speed is control the jog one. Okay, select jog and increase the speed or decrease the speed. Okay. Yeah. Here, this area is control the loading magazine. Yeah. For the loading magazine, we have many cylinders to do different function. Okay, let's see here. This cylinder and this one, yeah, and this one, and this one, and this one. Yeah. Okay, I will show the buttons for each. Firstly, the lock. I will press the lock. Okay, but it doesn't work. That here means here show some warning. I will press reset. Okay. Here this work. This doesn't work. Okay, because before this work, you need this work firstly. Yeah, and then we this and go back. Yeah, for these two buttons it doesn't work now because when the machine go back to the reference place, we need light to run automatically for a cycle, and then we change it into the jog, it will work. Okay, let me try. For example, I select a program, not this one. Okay, we select tenant, this one. Okay, I will do a MPG start. Okay, rotate the hand wheel. Yeah, when it finish, we resize and go back to jog. Now they work. Yeah. Now they work. Lock cylinder, 3 cylinder. Okay, I will see. This we can solve it. 3. The lock one, I will show you. This one, the lock. Okay, we can show here. This is the lock. This is the lock, right? This is the lock cylinder. Okay. The tray, we already see the tray cylinder. Okay, here is a jack cylinder. Jack cylinder. Okay, I will check jack. Jack is this one. Is this cylinder. Yeah. That way, when we load the workpiece, it will push, light our workpiece to push against this fence. This fence is a reference place for the workpiece, okay? And then we clamp it and feed it. Okay, clip. You can see the clip. Yeah, that means the feeding arm at the top of the feeding arm. Okay. And only this work, clamp the workpiece, then we can make jog sand. Yeah, this is the jog sand. Jog sand, okay. But it cannot go back. That means it should be release this one. It can go back. Okay, I will press this one. You can check here. Yeah. Now I can press the jog sand. It will go back. Yes. This two one, we don't use it. We can select this one. That one, okay. Up price. This one, okay. For the return, return is this one. Yeah, to push the workpiece after production. Yeah. Okay, now we finish the jog page introduction. Here I will change it into the swing page. For the swing page, we normally have 3 functions, you know. This swing, we call it line L, L1, L2, and this is angle tilting, we call R1, R2. Okay, another one is also this one for the C distance. That means workpiece, you know, workpiece distance, workpiece length. Yeah. Okay, we can show here. Yeah. This is the buttons. We can control the R and L axis behind. Okay. And here, this area is same this area. And here we can see C bolt, C clock, away close auto. I will introduce this in details later. Firstly, I will show this one. Okay, jog and home. Home, that means like R or L to go back to home reference. Firstly, I will select home and press R1 or L1 to let them go reference. Yeah. Firstly, I will show jog. Okay, if select jog, because each swing we have lock, okay, to let them keep the rigid position during the production. Okay, before we change the angle, we need to release lock firstly. Okay, for the R1, we can see it, R1. Okay, here, R1. Okay, I will use this for showing, this height for showing the R2. Okay, for R2, you know, this is a lock, R2 lock, L2 lock. Okay, before we rotating it, we need to unlock it. Okay, and then we press R2 minus, R2 minus and plus to move the head. Okay, firstly I will like plus, press this one. It's rotating. Yeah, if we long press, it will keep going. Yeah, so I press R2 minus and light it down. You see, it keeps going. So if we want to make a click price, just a short price, yeah, short price, we can have here also show the angle. Okay, minus, minus degree, yeah, this one. Okay. If we reach to the angle we want, we can just lock it again. Yeah. Here have a message means it exceeded the soft limit, so we can unlock it and like go back little R minus. Okay, and lock it. Yeah. I will show the L swing. Unlock this. L swing is this one. Okay, here is L2 swing. Okay, unlock it. Okay, and for L plus minus, see it's rotating. Yeah, but slower. So in slow speed we can change faster speed. So speed plus. Okay, yeah, we can see a faster speed. Okay, press it. Okay, stop, and manners. Yeah, it's keep going. So this is a little dangerous. Although the machine has some soft limit, but I don't like this way. Adjust the price, short price, and control it. Short price, it will be a little safer. Yeah. Now we can check here angle. Yeah. If this angle we want, we can lock it. Yeah. Okay. Now I want this right height to go back to the reference place. Okay. I will select the home and press L and R. Okay, unlock, because it doesn't move, because we don't unlock it. If we move by hand, we need to unlock it firstly. Here show we don't unlock it. Okay, lock, unlock, and press this one and this one, it will go back to the home reference. Okay, any one, plus, minus, all okay. Then it will go back to home reference automatically. Yeah. Okay, this one is same. Okay, now I will introduce the C bolt, C lock, away, close, and auto button. That means adjust the distance of between the two heads. Okay, two tendon cutters. Okay, firstly, I will let them go together. If we want them go together, we need to unlock both C bolt and C lock, and then to press this button for open, press this button for close. Okay, if we only press this one, C bolt, we press open or close, doesn't work. Yeah, it will happen warning message. That means we don't unlock this. The C lock is for this, for the loading support. This loading two supports. They also have the lock, the cylinder lock to fix them at the right place. Okay. Now I unlock them both and press open. Oh, this is closed. Okay, for the first time, we press this button, it will go back reference firstly. It don't open. Okay, now I will press this one, this side, unlock, open. Oh, it still doesn't work. Maybe here we select home. Oh, I understand why they go back to the home reference, because we select the home button, we don't change it to jog. Now I will change it into jog and press open. Now, okay, it's open now. Okay, now I will close it. Okay, I will show again. If I want to do the auto button to the go to the distance we want, here we can set up the distance. This is the distance. Here we can input. For example, I want to the distance go to the 850 millimeter. Okay, I will. But the auto button, it don't unlock this. It will unlock this automatically. Just press this one. Okay. He will have remind you, please confirm that there is no material in the warehouse. That means there isn't a workpiece in the loading magazine. Otherwise, when it closed, it will damage the loading magazine. Okay. If have workpiece, we need to take off the. If clear, we press OK. Yeah. Now they unlock. And go to the home reference and then open to the distance we want. Yeah. We also can see here distance, the axis is changing. Yeah. Okay, the angle also go to the angle we set up. But here set up angle. Let's go back to the auto one. Here for angle and angle. Here we see angle level 10 degree, vertical 10 degree. That means it will go to the angles swaying as per here data. Yeah. Okay, sway. Yes. Okay, we will show the standing, the workpiece standing, how to move this distance. Okay, I want the cutter to go back to the reference place. It will be easier for us to watch. Okay, home and letter L. Okay, it doesn't work. Lock. No. Yeah, lock. Okay, go back. No, this one doesn't go back. Swing. Yeah, go back. This swing. Go back. Okay. Now we go back to the jog button. Lock them. Yeah. Lock them. Okay, go back to jog. Select jog firstly and press C lock. Release the C lock. That means for the workpiece stand. Okay, now we can move it. We can change the distance. Yeah. Okay, we can change the distance. Yeah. So we must make sure there have a safety gap between the cutter and this the support. Otherwise, it easily happen some dangers to damage the cutter by damage here. Okay, yeah, this is same. Yeah, we just like the wood extend safe distance for production. Yeah. After we move the stand, then we can adjust the loading magazine to fit the workpiece. Yeah, and then we relocate. Now we relocate. Now it is fixed at this place. It cannot move now. Yeah, it's very, very strong. Okay. Yeah, this is the jog window. We finish this.